Experiencing issues activating digits or linking your number to multiple devices? First, ensure your primary line is a T-Mobile postpaid plan like Magenta and that your devices meet the minimum requirements, Android 8 Plus or iOS 12 Plus. A common problem is eSIM conflicts, especially on iPhones. According to T-Mobile support data, approximately 15% of Digits users experience activation stalls due to eSIM conflicts. If activation stalls, try factory resetting your device and relinking via the T-Mobile app. Ensure you have a stable network connection during initial setup. To link, open the Digits app on your primary device and follow the prompts. Secondary devices need registration in the Digits app. Make sure you select either Share Everything or Share Some based on what you want available on all devices. Authentication is key. Utilize the available two-factor authentication. Ensure your primary number is verified via SMS. Sync issues often stem from app cache problems or network interruptions. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to force a resync across your devices. If toggling airplane mode doesn't help, clear the app cache or reinstall the Digits app to resolve cache-related issues. Make sure to allow background data usage and check app permissions. This ensures the app can sync in the background. Confirm you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Poor connectivity can cause sync failures. Update the Digits app to version 5.2.1 or later, which includes AI-driven diagnostics to reduce sync errors. For Wear OS devices, update the Wear OS app to fix delayed syncing. If sync issues persist after these steps, contact T-Mobile support. Note that 8% of users experience failures during peak hours.